Vivian! Are you going to school? Erica, come on! Hurry, come to school.
Hurry up! You're gonna be late for your first day.
Where are you going? Oh! What kind of school? For a little horse?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Horland?
No, Mommy.
Hey, I'm filming this for Nikki. Are you gonna go talk to boys in there?
No.
Okay, come on, get in. Get in your first day at school! I can't wait till you go to school and I'm gonna party! Turn around, say hi to Angela.
Hi, Angela.
Vivian, say hi.